Hello, welcome back. In this lesson, we are going to be adding notes and annotation to our drawing. And adding notes and annotation is very simple too. So to add notes to your drawing, you see our drawing sheet has this comment area, which is where you can right click and go to your edit sheet format. And right here, you can click on your comments and just go to the end of that comment and start adding your note, and just put this as a check file. So that is how you will add notes to your drawing. And another way you can add notes is you can also click in the sketch and in the annotation, and you have the notes here. So you can click on the note and just click on any area, and that option for the note comes up, and you can start adding your notes too. Now just type that again. This is check. So that is another way you add your note. And the properties for this note, once you double click on it, the properties comes up, and you can change the font, you can change that to 10, the type, and everything you need to change on it, you can change it here. And once you're done, you pretty much just exit out and make sure you are out of that and click done. And on your drawing, you can also add the notes to the drawing by selecting an area of that on your view and click and add your notes to it. So that is a way. I just put like one in there. And one thing you should notice, when you select a face, SolidWorks is going to add it as a circle. But if you select an edge, like if I drag this to this edge, watch, that will change to an arrow. So when you select an edge, it changes it to an arrow. When you select a face, it changes it to a circle. So if I drag this back to this, it changes to a circle. So that is how you add notes in SolidWorks. Or you can click notes, and you can also click anywhere on your drawing and start typing for your notes. So once you are done, you can click and drag it anywhere you want. And that is how you add notes in SolidWorks drawing. Please save your work from this point. Maybe please save your work. I don't have too much information to fill in for this. You can just practice by filling in what the information you feel applies. And thank you. I will see you in the next lecture, where in the next lecture we are going to be adding our dimensions to it. Thank you. Bye.